In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a spark plug on a Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 liter located in the engine compartment. I'm going to remove the engine cover, and it's all pull pins except for right here. There is a bolt with a 10mm socket head on it. I'm going to get a 10mm socket, put it on there, and remove it. And then we're just going to grab that cover and pull up on those little plastic pops. Pops right out. And that's what they are, right here. It's 3 of those. So the ignition coil is right here. There's 4 individual ones. We're going to be doing this one. There's the mounting bolt. It's a 10mm socket. Dismount that. Take it. Push it aside. And now to disconnect the coil, I'm going to lift up a little bit on the ignition coil so I can access that easier. Just give it a little twist back and forth. There we go. See that red tab? You're going to push that tab out and then push down and release. Take your coil, lift it up. With a 5/8 spark plug socket, we're going to put it down in there, locate that spark plug, feel it grab. Take my ratchet, and I'm going to break that free. And then just back that right out. Now, I don't use power tools or electric tools for a couple of reasons. One, it's an aluminum head, and you could strip that quite easily. There's your spark plug. Let's get the new one. Make sure your spark plug socket has that nice rubber boot in there so it takes hold of that spark plug and holds it in so it doesn't drop out. Now, before I install it, what I like to do is take all 4 spark plugs, I line them up and make sure that that gap is visually the same straight across. Because this is iridium, you cannot use a spark plug gapper. Start it by hand, feel it catch, and then just snug it right up, and then we'll torque it to factory specs. Grab my ratchet. I'm just going to feel that gasket grab. Let's get our torque wrench. I'm going to torque this to 13 foot-pounds. Perfect. Take your ignition coil. It comes pre-lubed, so don't add any more dielectric grease. Line it up. The bolt is already included. Let it slide down, lining that bolt hole up. Before it goes in too tight, I'm going to put my connector. I'm going to push it all the way on, and then push that tab in. Give it a little tug, make sure it's nice and tight. Now we can feel that, seat that all the way down. Start that bolt by hand. Now I'll get my 10mm socket. I'm just going to snug it because I'm going to torque it to factory specs. Let's get our torque wrench. Tighten this to 80 inch-pounds. Now we can put our engine cover back on. Just line up that oil fill and you'll find the actual rubber boots going over those prongs. Locate them, give it a good push down, and then we can take our bolt that was over here, start that by hand. Okay, get our 10mm socket and just snug that right up. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.